Hey everyone! Welcome back to Blending Academy, where we simplify tech tools and boost your productivity one tutorial at a time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode in Microsoft Excel using multiple methods. Whether you want a clean dark workspace or you prefer the classic light mode, this video has you covered. So let's get started. First, let's start with the most common method. Open Microsoft Excel. Click on File in the top left corner. Scroll down and click Account. Under Office Theme, click the drop-down menu. Choose black or dark gray. The Excel interface will instantly switch to dark mode. The black theme gives the deepest dark mode experience, while dark gray offers softer contrast. Choose whichever suits your eyes best. If your Excel version doesn't show the Office theme under Account, don't worry, there's another way. Click File again. Select Options at the bottom. In the General tab, scroll down to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Find the drop-down next to Office theme. Choose black or dark gray. Click OK. This method works on almost every modern Excel version. Now here's the quickest way to access the appearance settings. Press Alt+F to open the File menu. Then press T for Options. You're now directly inside the Excel Options window. Scroll to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Change your Office theme to black, dark gray, or colorful. Click OK. This shortcut saves time, perfect for those who switch themes often or work late at night. To switch back to normal light mode, repeat any of the methods and simply choose colorful or white. And that's it. Your Excel returns instantly to light mode. And that's how you enable or disable dark mode in Excel, using 3 simple methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a productivity tip from Blending Academy. Drop a comment and tell me what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.